Welcome to the Location Reporting Training Session, where I'll be demonstrating how to create, filter, and export a location report on the DragonForce web application. These reports can only be generated via the web client and by users with a specific set of permissions. You can check out your user permissions by opening the Main Options menu and clicking on the username to reveal the user's profile. Then scroll down to Permissions. To create a location report, open the Main Options menu and under Reporting Tools, click Location. Select the date range for the location report, then click Update. You also have the option to filter users by ticking the box of the users you'd like to include or exclude from the report. Then click Update and export as a CSV. Once your report has downloaded, open the document, and at the very top, you'll see the time frame and time zones of the generated location report. You'll see the list of users filtered and the number of locations recorded within the selected time frame, along with additional location data including the device used, handheld or web app, the lat-long coordinates, and the location accuracy range. You've now completed the location reporting training session. For more information or to check out more DragonForce content, visit the DragonForce Academy. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.